Okay, so the next topic that I want us to discuss is group by, but to first understand how group by works and what is the practical use of group by, I first want to discuss about some utility functions that exist in Postgres. And for example, let's go in query tool, and I'm just going to write a function that we are going to discuss, and the function is called count. Now let me type the query and then I'm going to explain it and fire it. So what is count? Count is an inbuilt function, in Postgres, but not just in Postgres, in other databases, relational databases as well. And if you are a little bit familiar with programming language, function is basically like a method. Function is like a method that accepts a number of parameters and returns a result. Now in our case, count accepts one parameter, and it can be a column name or a row, like we have here star, which basically means a whole row, and will return the number of rows that column is in database. So for example, what this query has returned, it returns the fact that the table payment has 14, 15, 96 rows. For example, if we go to our table product, we know the product has 4 rows because we have inserted them, and this count basically will return us the number of rows. Now I can also add a condition, let's say where ID is equal with 1. So I will get 1 row because only 1 row has this specific ID. So this is all about count. Now we can also have here the name of a column. So for example, I can go and type select count ID, and it will basically give me the number of rows that this specific ID is found in our table product, which matches this condition. Now if I don't put it in condition, it will give me all of them, so it will be 4. And this is all about count.